Well done. Perfect.
So, oh, I'm not going to get in trouble. Oh.
Sounds interesting, though. Alright, okay. Okay.
I catch the water. Teach it a lesson. I catch. Biscuits is water.
Baby.
Pokemon Direct started.
Welcome to the Pokemon Direct. I'm Ishihara from the Pokemon Company.
Oh, you good girl.
I'd like to touch on 2 topics. Let's get started with
He
the
has the
first
same
topic.
tablet as you.
Biscuits.
Have a look at the following
Oh, yeah.
footage.
Ooh, footage. 2006. Oh,
Right,
no.
okay, baby. You keep hitting Cookie in the face. Oh, baby.
Biscuits. No, then they're releasing another Pokemon Ranger game.
Alright, okay. Cookie, did you keep smacking in the face with the water?
Or is it a remake? Oh, it could be the rescue teams. Or...
So, Biscuits' paw is now piss wet through.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. Why is she attacking it? Maybe turn it to the other mode?
Have you got, do you want to pass me the plug? She's drinking
Where
it.
is the other plug?
She's next to you on the sofa.
Where? Okay. There you go. She's drinking, but she's also making a pool horrendously wet. So it's a mystery dungeon game.
Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. Rescue Team.
Do you like it? Is that better?
Is that everything?
Yep, no.
I think I just broke the live stream.
Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. Rescue Team PX. Will be released March 6, 2020.
That's cool. I guess. I'm not a mystery dungeon guy, but I know a lot of people are.
Release a demo version.
Yeah, I think they're like that one.
I'm not sure if she's drinking it or if she's just sticking her nose in it.
No, she's drinking it. I can see her
You'll be
laughing.
able to
Alright.
carry over your save data to the full version of the
That's
game
nice.
you purchased.
That's nice, isn't it?
So please take this
Yeah,
on.
it's like a nice little stream.
I'm on about this mystery dungeon thing. I'm not a mystery dungeon fan, but
For the other topic,
no, they're clearly enjoying it.
I think we'll ask Game Freak to share it with you. Mr. Masuda, Mr. Omori.
Oh no, we're still smacking it.
Hello everyone, I'm Masuda from Game Freak. Hello, and I'm Omori, also from Game Freak. We hope everyone has been finding something to enjoy in the latest entries to the Pokemon
Oh,
series.
Cookie.
Pokemon Sword and Pokemon
Cookie, it's just
Shield released
water.
this November.
She doesn't like water though, does she? So.
Our goal is always to deliver lively new adventures that delight Pokemon trainers around the world. We did our best to fill these titles with fun activities so that our players could have a fulfilling experience.
It was fun.
And the Galar region
Oh, it's not loud though, is it? Quite nice.
We suspect you've had
Yeah,
many
it
new
is. It's quite
discoveries
nice.
and fun
Turn
encounters.
this down.
Well done. Good girls.
Little hun from it.
Oof.
Splashed me then and onto the sofa.
More to dig into and new discoveries to explore.
Yeah, how about we move it away from the wall socket, shall we?
In fact,
Oh,
She didn't like that.
this
it's
is
just
why
me.
Game Freak are now
It's just
selling
me, look.
Pokemon Sword
Okay,
expansion
Peppa.
passes,
Are you
Pokemon
okay?
Shield
Is that
expansion
scary,
passes.
that thing?
Downloadable expansions for the Pokemon Sword and Pokemon
Ooh.
Shield games that will be available for purchase from Nintendo eShop. Until now, we've sometimes released new titles set in the same
Are you gonna get
region as
it?
previous games, such as Pokemon Platinum version or Pokemon Ultra Sun and Pokemon Ultra Moon.
do I only just thought about?
This
Oh, this
expansion
doesn't cost a
pass will be
fortune to
different
run.
from those games.
I doubt it, with it being such a tiny thing.
New adventures using the same data you're already
Well
playing.
done, Cookie. Good girl.
We're in the thick of development now, but we've prepared
That
some
water
information
nice.
so you'll be able to at least get a feeling
Is that nice water?
await you.
Remember more Pokemon.
Please have a look.
So they're doing an expansion pass for Pokemon.
You were just smacking the shit out of it. How can you be afraid now?
Yes, from the base game.
Good girl,
Can't
Cookie.
wait.
Good girl, well done. Oh, yep, you smack it as well.
Ooh, new islands.
Is it nice? Is that nice fresh water? Are we going to stop licking plugs now?
A Galarian Slowpoke. Ooh.
Good girls. Well done.
Character. Shoot on outfits. New hair. New clothes. I mean, you know I've got to buy this expansion pass.
You'd be buying it anyway, like.
Oh, new character that's going to be a waifu. Volcarona's coming in! So yeah, that adding more Pokemon into the game. And Venusaur and Blastoise are getting their own Gigantamax forms.
Cookie, if you touch it, you get wet, baby.
And the starters are getting Gigantamax forms. The Isle of Armor. Okay, so that
Oof.
confirms if they did do a third version, it was going to be Pokemon Armor.
Are you okay?
Oh, another part of the expansion. Across the area. Just new starters. Well, the old starters coming back. No new character, he looks cool. More new outfits. Regice, Regirock, Registeel. Presumably Regigigas. The Reggies are getting new forms. Okay. This is really cool. Poor Sinnoh. Like more new Pokemon.